Memwakwa baba Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so world of entertainment. Aha na yedi bi sumo. Ye fata woni no sumo. And I want him Friday so the blood is energy. Meaning the Sandra or hime ametiwa. Adwuma nyame Adom. Entertainment am ye Ghana for twemu a.
When sa Sandy no. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy's queen. Ghana's entertainment prophets, men omo from Nkwala, mame.
We a guy,
nice
we a guy, we a guy, we a guy.
By now, the whole Ghana, nipa more honey pie or small bones. Omo to show, that's right. I'm see our crab. Team in our time, it's my baby. Now, I'm Sunday, a becon sem, Nesono. My main far way in Chem real quick. I may say BBL, no. Ene surgery na mo ye no ya tia fa so oh ye kan na mo ka che se me mfu hia kan kwase asem na wo hwan na se hia obi ha sa da den mfu hia kan wo hwan na se obi ehu bi hu kire no ye ka no kre na akire mo se no sabita fracha ya ye tan na no kra de on se ne fiada e bia na nipa ne kwagine ne me pese meto anu me mo odin ma ye mo nhyew na no kwa sister crowd mo say wasa kwaye nanim a opese me say nanim ni yifia na nti ama nanim no na bodwene nyina yi te say ayi Adom bridge ayefia oh na sister ba ko no nso no ba ko no de obo onwume anya ya waye yi no so akoye ne nofo a se ko sha atade ana me ho metema because minim so otime ho mi ya oh ye besre mo yet I say it is your money, it is your body. But moon so why? Too much of everything is bad. Because I yet back when me and her. There's a bad now I say signboard. Hey, mommy on consum so. Musika ye can. Bakunia. Mia oh I na Sefa kwa the same mara ho kwa say me yo sa.
Oh, we kon konsa.
Mia me nipa Sefa. As a Sefa industry mo. The first person to interview her. Could be a Black Avenue for Black was D Black. Bisa Isaac Asan, mami boat. Kunum Isaac Asan, mongo bizano. Ye mama Black Avenue. Jene nkofa ye koye interview first. Now we no, I mean I was a Thursday me the picture ne maybe. Show back no. Now watch them before and after. Se obo onwom no menim sasa enwum adwuma no se amfa wo se bia enwum na fa nso na apese bia woni padua no eye tantalize na ache se obo onwom asa wo betie wo menim ba abroso Sefa abroso you are such a beautiful girl who lied to you say this okoye woni padua ansa na akotina delay anim twa antro say wonye but why huh aye abeto ase Sefa ware but nga no kure oh aye music video na wocha aye music video on say me se body need we ya wonya advert pa because me gina ha ya my say one aya pepa ho obi ani ho bebe matade say Sister Sandy shewe gelene na fa ya advert because emwa wo nipa na agoton no me siemu saba ba on say wo ye nipa dua na Emma, what shall I mum the F pa? It's Emma, I'm so be her no. Yes, and if I jana a faintino, Gemata di she not Tony mammy. And we never that so oh, Sefa. And never that so she a man for a casse wawa bon worry. About any day we young worry na a bear. Women can say beye ana eye music video eba na say eba ni say nso de a na che say congratulations in order ayeko e de amount why ti say wa ya ye wo hangina ma awaliso na won ware so na music video so de a the body is body and it is what it is. Wow. Boys no cry PR mu nyina Thomas mu nyina obi ya wow ha say agese otim say mo cry me ma no mo kan obi na ma twetwa mo nipadwie mo ka ho because utimi ne oga nam a ne ho fefe ba hu obi a ne no fone ne to ahye pe mo nso watwa wani sei ti mo ka ho oh ayo shedi o merhaba mo mpe o Mr. Weber me director say shedi o merhaba mo mpe yate ayento aso nko ni edi so ansa na no shadi bra na yentwetwe nkomo bi yes, I say I'm for high was by force a for her. Once you share trend as Ghana for. Wow, Mamma Twasso. Say what Ghana Music Awards for Edio Mujumedia. A your Mutimima category say male vocalist of the year. No, I'm sorry, Brian Sabi and you cry. Say I didn't want nominating no because on the TV came Sebe. Judge on him say you be no was about 10. Ain't say yes, Robia. Raskuku. What eh? What do you want to me? What be say? Ni ma show ye kwe referencing. Oh, zongo fair. Ko be say juma ye o ho timi ma high tenor o ba o ton finfi o no what tears tenor bass. Na tenor bass for there. What tisi wo ye jaja onim say ni obi apuo no aba. O kasa de e. Hey say me strop ye. Mun tie na hia asem na mon financial male vocalist one mo. Ye di bra bre no. Mun hwemra.
The incoming male vocalist of the year.
Incoming male vocalist of the year.
Yeah.
And it's been one category that you've been eyeing for quite a while.
Yeah. And
right?
I should be there. I don't know the reason why the people don't put me there. But
they don't put you there. Why?
I don't know. People are like, why?
But you have very beautiful songs that display your vocal prowess.
Yes, so I've told them, no, on the 9th, when we're lining up, then you give us a mic. We'll be on boss. Say 1 minute to 1 minute class. So from there, you
will know who the real vocalist is.
Yeah.
But have you filed? Because TJMA has opened the window for nomination. Have you filed already?
Done deal.
Done deal?
Yes,
And you submitted a certain record for the vocalist of the year.
I was in the house when Andy called me, and I was sleeping. So
Sebe, it's Mr. Ramo. Sebe ne nkwanti muntie ne hia so da mon fa na nhye ho so deserve a man for beto ama no deserve so ase na o category nim oh no obi a ho nto no afi we dia mesrem yo me da sipi samoti ya can see ko sika 14th of February Chanadi on the 14th of February na kwakoye Lovers Day a Adom TV Saturday no na ye ba be che oniema akese show your love siko sika Chanadi Adom TV ye na ye de ho Adom manfo ska ye kabum abeche ska shia yen e wa Adom TV so on the 14th o 2 night stay o wa wo pampering de niema egu so de ye che ska no na niema assault eta echi na my sister ba ko etwa message a bibia wasem na America no e abro no ma nkwala no mo ho ye o sister Sandy with the bibia I don't blame those who do it all. I blame the society and some corporate entities. Sometimes they even consider your ship before offering you a job. Whilst the society has also the stigma that when you don't have that shape, you can't go out. Wow. There's a juma for be shape and you have. That's a juma no more. I'll see a tomb. Who will be shape and son woman juma. Wow. It be see what it be see Makweba. I am a director. Asante Achima go this year escape from Ponana. Mark Weber, I am a director, PR, and an international. Omo set designers, omo bo CMA, my master Thomas Springs, a cinematographers. Lizzie, I will makeup department. Ken of Smooths and Olamike MCR. Thank you all stations. Same time, Monday, I'll be back. Bibi Anko ye be a shamedrada. What? Rebecca, sir. I'm the guys. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. Boom.